Will it fit? So, chances are you're watching this video because of one of two things. You have a Mini Cooper and you got a baby coming, small child baby on the way. Or you have a little baby human child and you want to get a Mini Cooper, but you're not sure the logistics of fitting all the baby stuff in the car. Well, I'm going to help you out. I have a 2010 R56S hardtop. It's got, babe, what kind of stroller is it?
Vista.
A Vista. And I'm going to walk you through it.
Up a baby Vista.
Up a baby Vista. Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome.
Let's get the car and get it in. All right, here we go. First and foremost, I want to thank my daughter Autumn for letting me borrow her stroller and car seat. So thank you, Autumn. All right, so I'm going to show you two ways you can load this guy into your R56 hardtop and show you how comfortably you can fit the stroller in the boot, trunk, whatever you want to call it. Now, we do have two other cars. We have a Cadillac SUV and a Ford Explorer, but on occasion we like to take this out and we weren't sure if it fit, and sure enough it did. So I'll show you how to do that and how comfortable it is with two extra passengers and a driver. So yes, you can fit all of this, two passengers and yourself. Not comfortably, but you can. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with loading it through the passenger door. My car is kind of filthy, I apologize. And every stroller is going to be a little different. I'd imagine this is a very average sized situation I'm dealing with here, so keep that in mind. All right, now obviously the baby is going to be in here when you do this, but you know, easy enough. It fits right in, no issue there. Boom, good to go. And obviously you're going to go ahead and strap the baby in. And if you're not sure, this thing is ratcheting. There you go, pull tight. Baby is secured. Just a little tighter. Okay. So, this method, seat still goes back. I'm 6 foot tall. I still fit, and I can go back a couple of inches even. So no issues there at all. My wife is 5'5". She has no qualms at all. Fitting in here with Autumn in the back seat, boom, good to go. Now here on the rear driver side, I can fit in here just fine. Hey Autumn, what's up? No big deal. Plenty of room up there for me as well. Not too bad for a Mini Cooper. This thing is deceivingly large inside. Not SUV large, but it gets the job done just fine. All right, that was one way to load it. Now let's assume you have a slightly larger car seat. Maybe you got a bad back. It's kind of awkward to fit to the door. You have another option. This car is so small, you can actually fit it through the boot. You do got to remove this little guy. No big deal. Never done it before. Just a little tabs up there. This thing comes right on out. Here, put this seat down. Grab your baby like so. Boom. Child is in. I feel this way it's a little easier on your back because you can kind of put the child down and kind of move it over. Egress is about the same on both. No big deal there. And you're all set. Now, let's move on to the stroller portion of this segment. Now the stroller, you got to put that down. Or just leave it where you're going. Or if you got a passenger in the back seat, just leave it at your house. And again, every stroller is going to be a little different to collapse. This one's pretty easy. Good to go. You don't want to have anything in here if you're doing this. Now, this stroller is unique because I can take a wheel off with ease. All set, and it closes just fine. Good to go. And like before, assuming you leave this at home or just kind of put it out of the way over here, you can now have your stroller, your baby, two passengers, and yourself for a day trip to wherever you're going, which is pretty cool. If any parents out there that were concerned about getting a Mini with a baby, or you have a Mini with a baby on the way, don't freak out. It is doable. And my daughter seems to like the car okay, I guess. So hope you guys found this informative, this fun little video. Side note, I live in Portsmouth, Virginia, but you would think I live in Portsmouth, England. It's been cold, 35 and raining for about a week straight, and we got another week of this left. It sucks. I want to play with my Corvette, but whatever. I got a couple more things in the Corvette I'm going to do, and then I got an exhaust intake and springs for this guy coming. So if you follow my mini stuff for performance stuff, I haven't forgot about it. More stuff's coming down the pipeline. Anywho, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll catch you guys next time.